Laboratory tests prove the protection against immersion in water under stated conditions of pressure and time. Integrated safety switch with two changeover electrical contacts, normally open plus normally closed, forms C. Double insulation, positive opening. Super technopolymer, a new generation of engineering plastic material, high mechanical performance. Easy assembly, the built-in safety switch and the hinge come in one piece. IP67 protection class, complete protection against dust and immersion in water. The test shows that after 30 minutes of complete immersion in water at 1 meter, according to the international standards, no penetration of water or humidity has taken place. The hinge switch proves to be perfectly functioning.